If equipped, the surround view camera system displays the surroundings and top view of your vehicle whenever you shift into reverse, or select the standard backup camera view through the Uconnect system. The top view shows which doors are open. The image displays on the touchscreen, along with a caution to check entire surroundings. After 5 seconds, the note will disappear. The system consists of 4 sequential cameras located in the front grille, tailgate, and side mirrors. When you shift into reverse, the rear camera view and top view are the default views of the system. When enabled, active guidelines are overlaid on the image to illustrate the width of the projected backup path based on the steering wheel position. When the camera view is displayed and the vehicle speed is below 8 miles per hour or 13 kilometers per hour, you can press the magnifying glass icon in the upper left of the screen to increase the view up to 4 times its original size. Press the icon again to return to the previous screen. The system deactivates in the following conditions. Vehicle is out of reverse for more than 10 seconds at speeds at or above 8 miles per hour or 13 kilometers per hour. The vehicle is shifted into park. The ignition is cycled off. Or if the driver presses the X button on the display screen, if the vehicle is in park, neutral, or drive. If snow, mud, or other debris collects on the camera lens, clean the lens, rinse with water, and dry with a soft cloth. Do not cover the lens. Always carefully check your surroundings before backing up. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.